Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have here a Kenroy Tropi-Cool ceiling fan made by Commander. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's made by Commander because usually Commander ceiling fans have that style canopy. From the early to mid 80s. There's a sticker right there from Florida. I think that says Jacksonville. I can't really read it. Cosmetic wise, not in the best of shape. Got scratches on the blades and got plastic coming off the badges, little chips here and there. But otherwise, it performs well. I got this fan from Fanimation. And from the whole Fanimation bunch that I got, this is my favorite fan that I bought there. When I bought this fan, it didn't come with a variable speed system because apparently the original owner of this fan ripped the control out of the fan, so the fan just went high off, reverse high off. So then I sourced the variable speed control and put it in the fan, and now it works perfectly. Just like it's my original, this is actually a Hunter Robbins and Myers light kit I'm deciding to use on the fan. I'll do more talking once I start the fan up, but we're gonna start off with the light kit. This light socket is very weird. Well, it's not weird, it's kind of messed up. It does sort out sometimes. Alright. Now we'll start the fan off on low. Sit down and talk about this fan. So when I originally got this fan, I couldn't really mount it anyway because I bought this fan with no mounting bracket. So I converted to ball socket just to test it in my little garage. And obviously that didn't look right because the canopy is so small. It won't cover up the whole mounting bracket. So yeah, this has been hanging up in storage for a while. Until about a few days ago, like a week or two ago, I went to Marketplace and I picked up like 3 fans somewhere out in the country. They weren't really special fans though, but in one of the boxes for the fans, there was a mounting bracket in there that didn't go to any of the other fans that I bought. It was a double claw mount, which is what these fans take. These fans take a double claw mounting system. Turn it up a little bit. So either now right here, we'll go right there. So yeah, it was just a random double claw mounting bracket in the box. It was not a new box fan though, so it was just sitting in a random box. And so I took that home with me. Then I decided to finally hang this fan somewhere since this fan takes double claw mounting. And now it's in my room. I did think it was going to hang lower than I thought, but it actually hangs better than the original because the blades are top mounted, so there's a little more clearance. It had to rewire some of the fan to get a light kit on here because this fan originally came with just a white and a blue wire that came out of the ceiling fan. So I had to source a black wire and rewire a few things to put a light kit in this fan in order for it to go in my room. It's pretty easy, so I do love this light kit on this fan. I have a spotlight kit I wanted to try here, but I don't think that would fit. Well, it would fit obviously, but I don't think it'll look as nice as this. It's a very nice aesthetic low speed that I like on this fan. We'll go up to 3 o'clock on the control. I could put pull chain fobs on this fan, but I like it without it. This just came, originally when I bought it, it came with like a string that was on the fan pull chain. It's gonna start wobbling a little bit, just swaying back and forth. This fan definitely matches my room better than the Hunter original that was in here. This fan does take a while to get up to speed, to the current speed that you set it to. Because the first speed that the fan was on wasn't technically all the way on this real speed. But for the sake of time and storage on my phone, we'll try to speed it up a little bit. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but it's kind of starting to sway back and forth now. Get closer so you can see it. We're going to turn it up a little bit. Now, this is the exact same solid state system that I used in my design house Manhattan that I converted to variable speed. And this one's not as loud as the design house when it's like on its medium-ish speeds. This one's definitely not as loud. I know the design house is kind of loud with its, a little hum, but this one's not as much. I just found that knob randomly and it fits perfectly with the fan. The wobbling does stop right here. I had to balance this fan quite a bit because there's a lot of little weight things on top of the blades that come with balancing kits. So there's quite a bit of those on top of this fan. Definitely feeling a little breeze. We'll turn up a little bit. This is about 12 o'clock on the control. Now the wobble starts to pick up again. If this fan wasn't balanced, this fan would wobble pretty badly. Will it fall though? No, because this fan is safely mounted. So I know it won't fall. And that was one of my issues I had with the Hunter original. Like I knew it wasn't going to fall, but the fan was pretty heavy. I didn't want to take any chance because this is kind of this is an old house, and the what's called the mounting box in this fan is smaller than the standard ones nowadays. But it's still mounted, so I just took it down now. Just so I can just take precaution. This fan is not as heavy. Definitely feeling a breeze. Now we'll go to full speed. That's when the humming stops. The wobble does reduce a little bit. The fan is cracking out some air. Now, of all the fans I've had in this spot, of course, nothing beats the Hunter original. This fan does wobble. I don't know if you can tell from the video. If I didn't bounce this fan would be definitely wobbling much more than it is right now. little vent spinning. I'm gonna show you how the reverse goes. So with the pull chain, it'll go off, and the third pull will be reverse. And you can see the fan will start reversing soon. I'm not gonna switch my down this fan because it's already reversing. And now the fan reverses. Probably realistically I could put a 3-way pull chain in this so I can make the fan go high. I can make it go downdraft, updraft, and then off instead of downdraft off, then updraft off. But for now, until this pull chain actually probably breaks or anything, I'll keep this fan in here, the pull chain in there. And reverse is much slower on high. I don't know why, but yeah. I'll just turn it off with the knob. But anyways, yeah, that's the fan. Thank you for watching.